guys, this is Katja with Creators Image Studio. Today I'm sharing my latest wallet card with you guys. I used a very fun paper with packages and well, very festive in nice spring and summer colors. It has flips and pockets and all kinds of nooks and crannies. So let's take a look up close. All right, here we go. So it has a belly band closure, and here you can see the packages already, the birthday gift packages. Very fun paper, birthday bash by Pink Paisley. And this is the back, so that is a quick overview. So let's remove the belly band. And here you can see the sentiment. This is a stamp, by the way, by Stamp Bendis, and it says, "May your special day be surrounded with happiness, filled with laughter, blessed with love, and remembered with joy." Very great birthday sentiment, in my opinion. So I did some die cutting here, and I did some layering. This is a piece of washi tape here, but not much else. And you can see, because the paper is so fun, that it is still a great front of your card. Okay, let's open it up. So here you can do anything you like. This is sort of an empty panel. I used it to emboss a sentiment, happy birthday. I did some fussy cutting from the design paper and some more embossing, just some fun, well, clip art mostly, stamps of course. And here is a flap, and I punched that with a very fun gift wrapped packages punch by Martha Stewart. So opening it up opens your journaling spot that you can write your birthday wishes or any wishes that you want to write. And here I die cut some banner pieces from the design paper. This is a piece of cardstock, and then I enhanced that. I embellished it with some glitter glue, and here is some liquid enamel. So difference with liquid pearl, it's not pearlescent. I really like that effect. And of course some glitter glue all around this die cut piece. And yeah, so you can fold it closed. And now for the pockets, because this is actually a pocket, large pocket. So I filled it up with a large tag. And here you go, another birthday sentiment. There are 3 things to remember about growing older. Your memory deteriorates, and I forgot the other 2. So this is a fun sentiment, and I just printed that on a piece of cardstock that coordinated well with the card. So in color, that coordinated well. Did some corner punching here, and there you go. And as for the second pocket, it is on the back of the card. So let's take that out as well. Again, printed on a piece of color coordinated cardstock, punched the corners. And it says, "Age is strictly a case of mind over matter. If you don't mind, it doesn't matter." So some fun birthday sentiments. You can just Google these and print them onto your cardstock and then cut it to size. And here I did a nice little umbrella brad, just for fun, for decorative purposes, and also to keep this corner open, like you see here, and of course matted it. Now there is a tutorial for you guys, and in the tutorial I explain how you get this this shape for your mat, how you get that right. Because the corner, when you fold it, you will fold it at random. Sometimes the fold will start here, sometimes it will start here, depending on how you fold. So there are no fixed measurements, but I explain the technique in the tutorial, as well as all of the other things. This is actually a 1-sheet project. That is a 1 sheet of 12 by 12 inch cardstock. So that is not counting the tags here, of course, because you can fill this up with anything you like. I used cardstock, but you could also do a picture or even buy a postcard and tuck that in. So not counting that, the base for the card, the entire rest of the card is 1 piece, 1 sheet of 12 by 12 inch cardstock. And there is a version if you would buy a double-sided piece of design paper of 12 by 12 inches. You could of course then match the entire card with that one piece. But I used two because I loved these colors so much and I liked the atmosphere and the fun spirit that it exudes. So I used 2 sheets of design paper here. So yeah, this is my wallet card. All right, so that was the wallet card. So if you want to make it yourself, check out the tutorial in my shop. And if not, just enjoy the video and don't forget to press the like if you like this video and subscribe to my channel, guys. It really helps me if you do that, and click the bell for notifications. So every time I upload something cute, you will be notified. Okay, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.